I've cut a 15-degree angle on all sides of the pine boards I'm using and applied Danish oil to them. To avoid blotching stains, one can apply one coat of shellac first. I don't really care about it and went with the Danish oil directly. I then attached the boards to the ceiling joists and am now ready for mounting the lights. Now for the detailed part. Where do I drill the holes? This came with the lamp. It says 81.3, so I'm taking the measurement, the width of this minus 81.3 divided by 2. I got 13.65 measured from here till here, and then the center of this board is 6 centimeters and I got 1 point. I'm putting the first circle on top of this point. The next step is the other point should also have 6 centimeters. Now I'm marking the hole and the other hole, and that's it. The lights I'm going to install will be connected to an outlet. I measured that the cable can reach to 120 centimeters approximately, so it will be close to the lights. Cool, very cool. Time taken around an hour. Cost for materials, it was on sale and around 50 for both. Cost for materials and the tools that I'm using in this video, around 1500. Now how to do it. Yeah. This is weird, but possible. Stop. Fuck. Still possible. I'll take a longer board.